Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You've got the jack A2b ready. Raise the presser foot so tension discs open and set the spool on the pin. Guide the thread through the spool cap and pull about 8–10 inches free so it won't tangle. Once done, trim any fray at a slight angle to create a neat point that passes through guides easily. Make sure to use the correct thread weight for your project because poor thread choice creates tension problems later. Start by following the designated numbered guides on the machine, down the front, through the upper guide, then between the tension discs. This controls stitch consistency. You must have the presser foot up when seating the thread in the discs so it rests correctly. Next, pull the thread up and slip it into the K-cup lever eye. This transfers motion to the needle. Keep steady tension as you bring the thread down to the needle area to avoid loops or skipped stitches. With the thread at needle level, thread the needle from front to back per jack A2b convention. Use a needle threader if needed. Turn the hand wheel toward you to lower, then raise the needle so the hook catches the bobbin thread. Pull both threads to the rear, leaving 3 to 4 inches of tail. Once done, lower the presser foot and sew a short test stitch on scrap to confirm tension and stitch formation. If looping or skipped stitches occur, recheck needle type, thread path, and bobbin placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.